Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see one very important problem under linear equation. Let's look into the question. A number consists of two digits. When it is divided by the sum of digit, the quotient is going to be 6 with a no remainder. When the number is diminished by 9, the digits are reversed. So totally over here, we have three statements. So the first statement is it's a two-digit number. So we don't know that number. So I am going to write the number as x and y. So the first digit and the second digit. But as a value, we cannot write just x, y. It won't say you the value. It's just a digits for the two-digit number. So as a value, how can I write this? Y is in ones place. So 1 into y and x is in tens place. So I need to write a 10 into x, right? So what is the value of this particular two-digit number? It is 10x plus y. Still, if you are feeling little confused over here, why I am writing instead of xy as 10x plus y, I can explain you with one number. So we have a number 12. So how this 12 came actually, 110 is there plus 2 ones. So 10 plus 2 only we will get 12. It's not 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 12. 1 plus 2 we will get 3 only. So this 1 is in the place of tens. So we are having totally 110 and 2 ones. That's why we are getting 12. Same concept only I applied over here. So in the ones place we have y and in the tens place we have x. That's why x into 10 over here I written plus 1 into y, which is going to give the value of a two-digit number. Okay, now we will proceed with the second statement. So what is our second statement? When it is divided. What is divided? When this number is divided by the sum of the digits. The quotient is 6 with no remainder. So this is what our second statement. So when this number, which number? The given number. So what was that given number? We have defined it as 10x plus y. This is a number we have taken. Now this number is going to be divided by the sum of digits. So sum of digit means what? You no need to take the place value, just take only the digits. What is the sum of digit? One digit is x and the other digit is y. So just you are going to do the summation between these two digits. So when a number is divided by the sum of the digit, what will be the quotient? It is 6. Since there is no remainder, we will leave just like this only. Otherwise, we have to include the remainder also. So as of now, we don't have the remainder. So when I am dividing the number with the sum of digit, we will be getting the quotient as 6. This is your equation 1 from the given statement, second statement. Now we'll read the third statement. So what is our third statement? When the number is diminished by 9, the digits are reversed. What is the meaning of this? When the number is diminished by 9 means, what's the meaning diminished? It's nothing but decreased. So what is our number? The number is 10x plus y. This is what our number. So now we are going to decrease this number by 9. Okay, so that what it is, the digits are going to get reversed. It means what? Instead of x, y, that means in ones place y we have and in tens place we have x. Now it is going to get reversed. In the 10th place we will be going to have y and in ones place we are going to have x. Actually like this it is going to be, but as a value we can't write like this now, so we need to write 10y plus x. Okay, so the digits are reversed means initially the digit is xy, now the digit got reversed to yx, but as a value how to write along with the place value. So I have written here 10y plus x. So this is our second equation. Now we are going to solve these two equations in order to find our x and y value, and at last when we write like this we will get the given number. So can we proceed with that? Yes. So first equation, how can I move this first equation? How can I convert this to a general form of linear equation? It is linear equation of two variable, right? So 10x plus y, I'm going to move the denominator to the other side so that it is going to be 6 into x plus y. So after that what is going to be? 10x plus y equal to 6x plus 6y. Now we will move the 6x plus 6y to the LHS itself. So if we move, what we will be getting? 10x plus y minus 6x minus 6y equal to 0. So now we are going to simplify this. So if you simplify, what we will be getting? 10x and minus 6x we will be getting 4x, and plus y minus 6y we will be getting minus 5y equal to 0. So now this is what our new equation which has been derived from the first equation. So now I will mark this equation as 3. And also now the second equation, from the second equation again we are going to do the simplification in order to get the general linear equation format. So what is that? This is what the second equation is. We are going to take it 10x plus y minus 9, and we'll move 10y plus x from RHS to LHS. So I'm going to move that. It is going to be minus 10y minus x equal to 0. So now 10x minus x, it's going to be 9x, plus y minus 10y, it's going to be minus 9y, and I can move this minus 9 to the other side, so it will be positive 9. And if you see in this equation, all the terms are having the common coefficient which is 9. So we can divide this equation throughout by 9. So we will be getting x minus y equal to 1. So now we got one more new equation. So I can mark this as 4. So now what we are going to do, we'll solve the equation 3 and 4 so that we will be getting the answer for x and y. So now from this fourth equation, can I find the value of x? So I can move this y to the other side. Yes, right? So 1 plus y. So I got the value of x as 1 plus y. So now we are going to substitute. So I can mark this as 5. So the fifth equation we are going to substitute in third equation. So substitute fifth equation in the third equation. So what is going to happen? Instead of x, we are going to replace 1 plus y minus 5y equal to 0. Now simplify this. Now this equation become single variable equation. So it is very easy to find the answer of that variable. 4y minus 5y equal to 0. So now these two are like variable, which is minus y plus 4 equal to 0. So it is minus y equal to minus 4. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So y equal to 4. This is what our value of y. So now it's so easy to find the value of x, right? Because we already seen over here the relation between x and y. So in that you substitute the y value 1 plus y. So y value is 1 plus 4. Y value is 4. So it is going to be 1 plus 4. So the x value is going to be 5. So we found the value of x as 5. We found the value of y as 4. But here our question not yet completed. The question is what? What is the number? That is what the question, right? So what is our number? Initially what we have defined as a number, the number is xy, right? So now what is the number? In the place of x, you just keep the value of x, and in the place of y, keep the value of y. So which is 54. So the number is 54. This is what the answer for this question. Hope you understood. Thank you.